Hey, Crystal here. I'm at Ikea, and I think this is a little hack. Most people complain that I went to Ikea and it took so long, and then had to walk through the entire store, and then I ended up buying things that I really didn't need. So I went online, picked the item that I wanted, picked the store, found the aisle and the number, and I am going to go through the outdoor and see exactly how long it takes me. So it took me about 5 minutes. I found the aisle, found the bin number, and now I am walking to check out. Of course, it only took me 5 minutes to get it. Checking out looks like a little bit of a nightmare. Of course, I came on a Sunday. Probably not the best idea. Okay, I'm in my car, desk in the back. It only took me 22 minutes and 30 seconds. So I think that's a record. I'm pretty happy about that. And I did not go through the store. I wasn't tempted to buy anything that I didn't need. And and it saved me so much time. So go in through the exit.